This 7-passenger van leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include heated front seats, leather upholstery, high-intensity discharge headlights, blind spot sensor, adjustable pedals, removable floor console, a roof rack, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 20 GB hard drive, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.